Okay, we want to solve this using the quadratic formula. Bad news, it's not equal to 0, but we can change that very easily, right? We want to subtract 4x over here. Okay, we have to have it equal 0 before we can do anything. So write this in standard form. We have 5x squared. Then we need our x term next, minus 4x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, now we're good. Now we can go into our ABC. We know our A is going to be 5. Our B is going to be negative 4, and our C is going to be negative 2. Okay, A, B, C. Next, find the discriminant, right? B squared minus 4AC. Well, B squared, negative 4 squared, minus 4, it's always 4. A is 5. C is negative 2. Okay, oops, we square this first. Negative 4 squared is 16. And then I like to make this keep change. So it's going to be plus negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. And negative 20 times negative 2 is going to be 40. Okay, so 16 plus 40 is going to be 56. All right, positive number, right? So we know we're going to get two solutions. We got to figure out what they are. Okay, now think about this. When we plug this under the square root, we don't know the square root of 56. We're probably going to have to use a calculator to find that. So this is going to be a decimal answer. This is going to be an irrational number, which just means it's not going to be a whole number. Okay, so let's plug it in. Okay, opposite of B. Well, we know B is negative 4, so the opposite of B is positive 4. And we have plus and minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC. Found it, 56. All right, we don't have to do that. We already did that. All over 2 times A. Well, A is 5. 2 times 5 is going to give us 10. Okay, now square root of 56. Let's find that real quick. The square root of 56, we know it's going to be a little bigger than 7. All right, so 56, square root that. Let's round it. Let's round it to maybe just one decimal. Let's go to the 10th place, 7.5. So instead of the square root of 56, let's say it's going to be 4 plus and minus 7.5 all over 10. Okay. Now we're going to split and solve. We're almost done. Split it into 2. Right? We have 4 plus 7.5 over 10 and 4 minus 7.5 over 10. And then, so this is what, 11.5? Yep, 4 plus 11.5 over 10. Okay, so we have 11.5 divided by 10. Okay, and if we use our divided by 10 rule, we're just going to move the decimal one spot. Okay, so we're actually going to get 1.15 for our answer. Positive. And then 4 minus 7.5, we know that's going to be negative 3.5 divided by 10. Okay, and again, if we use our division or divide by 10 rule, we're going to move the decimal one place to the left. So this is going to be negative 0.35. Okay, and those are rounded answers, approximate answers, but these are our two solutions. We knew it was positive. We knew it was going to be they were going to be decimals because we didn't know the square root of 56.